Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com, and today we'll be doing a review on the Rolex Datejust 31, reference number 178240. We'll be going over the price, the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. Okay, so you can get this watch from an authorized Rolex retailer. For the base model, you're looking at $6,200. The model we currently have that's in my hand here is actually an adjusted model that we've added a custom diamond bezel and a custom diamond dowel to onto that base model, and you can see that pricing for the most up-to-date pricing for that on our website JazTime.com. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into the dial. As I said before, the hour markers are custom, the whole dial is a custom dial with added diamond hour markers. Typically for a Rolex Datejust to have diamond hour markers or even a diamond bezel, you're looking at a retail pricing around $15,850 for that, where more recently here in April 2018, we've sold this version of the watch for $6,900. So that price is subject to change, but you can see quite a vast difference in pricing for something that just looks just as beautiful as the other model as well. Now, these aren't factory Rolex diamonds, but they're still high quality diamonds, very beautifully cut, and they're housed in this stainless steel housing that prevents any tarnishing from it. The hands are actually the original Rolex hands, so they are made of 18 karat white gold to prevent any tarnishing. We still have the Cyclops lens at the 3 o'clock position with the original sapphire crystal that magnifies the view of the date window for easier viewing of that date. Still same dial architecture, which is the Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position and just the hour markers date window at the 3 o'clock and the hands. Okay. Besides that, moving on to actually forgot to mention the different configurations you can get for this watch. So if you're not interested in just a very plain silver dial that I have in my hand here, we also do it in a variety of different dial colors. We can also do it in the pink dial, black dial, blue dial, even a meteorite dial. If you're feeling a little bit more luxurious, we can even do a mother of pearl dial. However, that is a little bit higher in pricing because of it being mother of pearl. But if none of those colors really suit your style, just give us a call. We'll be happy to work something out with you in which we can make the perfect date just for you. Okay, moving on to the bezel now. So the bezel is beautiful bezel, about 48 or so different 48 diamonds in total around the whole bezel, and it's about a carat weight in total. And that really adds to the shine of the face of the watch in comparison to the shine on the hour markers, the white gold hands, and also for the case. The case, you can see a nice high polish on the sides of the case. As you can see on the bottom of the lugs as well, and the top of the lugs, nice high polish that matches with the diamonds. As I've said before, as this is a custom made, we've only replaced just the dial and the bezel. Everything else is 100% Rolex pieces. The movement, the casing, like I said, the case is a 31mm case made out of Rolex's 904L steel, in-house made steel that's a corrosion resistant and has additional shine to it. As you can see, that nice high polish shine on the side of the watch, matching with the high polish on the bracelet and on the other side of the case as well. Rolex crown logo on the crown itself. The crown is a screw-down twin-lock double waterproofness system. Simply opens up as so. Okay, and it opens up to this first position in which you can wind the watch. About 15 to 20 winds is all you need to get the watch going from a dead stop. A simple tugging of the crown will allow you to adjust the date. As you can see, going counterclockwise. Very easy adjustment of the date. Pulling the crown out to the final position will stop the seconds hand, as you can see, and that allows for precise time settings such as to an atomic clock online. You can set the time down to the exact seconds. Okay, and in this final position, you can also set the hands bidirectionally as well. Pressing the crown back in starts that seconds hand once more, and always make sure you want to screw that crown nice and tight in against that case. And that keeps this watch water resistance for 100 meters or 330 feet. Moving on to the bracelet now. This is Rolex's Oyster bracelet, which is a 3-piece link bracelet. Also available in a Jubilee bracelet, which is a 5-piece link bracelet. Both bracelets follow a similar style in which the outer of the links are nicely sand finished brushed steel, while the center of the links are nicely high polished. as you can see, it travels throughout the whole bracelet very nicely. And see, the clasp also follows suit that same pattern. It's just a simple folding oyster clasp. Opens up to reveal these nicely high polished Rolex blades, clasp blades, with the Rolex name embossed on there. Okay, once again, show you closed, clasp hidden behind the bracelet as so. And once more, opened up. Okay, moving on to the movement now. The movement is housed in this simple oyster case backing. The movement is Rolex's in-house made movement, caliber 2235 in-house made movement. It's a perpetual mechanical self-winding movement. It has a precision of -2 + 2 seconds a day, which is in the Swiss specs. And the functions of the movement is very simple. It's just the center hour, minute, and seconds hand with instantaneous changing of date and stopping the seconds hand, as I've shown you for precise time setting. The power reserve of this watch, you're looking at a 48-hour power reserve, meaning you could put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Sunday afternoon, and it'll be keeping time just fine. Okay, now let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist now. So once again, locate the folding oyster clasp, opens up as so. And there we are. Nice, simple, easy. Still a little bit of room there. One thing to mention, I do have an average man size wrist, which is a 7-inch wrist. You can still see there's still a little bit of wiggle room there. So it's about a 7.5-inch bracelet standard. And there's the face of the watch. Absolutely gorgeous. Nice high use of the high polish throughout. Those custom diamonds really adding more to the face of the watch. Okay, so if you're interested in this model or any other model, check out our website at JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video. Click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.